Thanksgiving Day is a US holiday. The next day is the Black Friday. As a day trader, do you want to do the day trading and how to do the day trading on those 2 days? Let's take a look at the historical data and find out for the US stock market, especially we are using the ESE mini futures and also the crude oil market and the currency pair GBP and CAD. Let's first take a look at the ESE mini S&P 500 futures. So this is a 15-minute chart, and on the Thanksgiving Day on the left, Black Friday on the right for 2021. We can clearly see that on the Thanksgiving Day, during the trading hour, there's no movement, so there's no trading opportunity. And then overnight for Friday, the Black Friday, there's a sell-off, and until the London Open here. And then in the New York trading hour, there could be some short opportunities because we can see that there are 3 legs down, 1, 2, and 3. This is the Thanksgiving and the Black Friday on 2020. We can see that during the trading hour here, we have a short opportunity on the Thanksgiving Day, and at the same time, there is a short opportunity on Black Friday as well. This is the chart for 2019. On Thanksgiving Day, you can see that the trading range is too small. Not sure there's a good opportunity. However, on the Black Friday, there is an open triangle here. There are 2 trend lines here. So when it touches the top here for the 3rd time, and then there's a good opportunity to short until the bottom of the trend line here. Another short opportunity is here. This level can serve as the resistance and the support level. It's breaking this level and then goes down. This is 2018, and in the London Open, we have a sell-off, and then we develop into a range, and the range is like wedge shape, so it breaks out to the downward here. So there is a good short opportunity at the end of the wedge here, and also we can do a measured move. So normally if there's a sell off and then there's a range and then there will be another leg down, so you can do the measure of this first leg and then it will go down similar to the first leg here. And then there are good opportunities. And on Black Friday, we can see first it goes down here and then it reverses back. So this high is higher than the previous minor high here that we should go long after the pullback. So there's a good opportunity here when you go long. So the conclusion for the US stock market and the ESE mini S&P 500 futures is it's still tradable on both days, on some of the days, but there are not many good opportunities. Now let's move on to the crude oil. This is the 15-minute chart. On the left, 2021, the Thanksgiving Day, no much movement. However, on Black Friday, we can see there's a big sell-off overnight until the London Open, and then it develops into a range. Then it breaks the range to another down leg. There is short opportunity when it breaks the up channel here, the small up channel range consolidation, and then leading to the second leg down. Again, we can do a measured move like the ES market. This is the first leg, and then this is the second leg. So these 2 lines are exactly the same in height. So you can see that it reaches the target here. Let's have a look at 2020. On the Thanksgiving Day, you can see it's uptrend after London Open, but it pulls back. So if you take long position around this area, you could get a stop loss if your stop is very tight. And there is one good opportunity, which is here, that you can see that this bull bar, it gives a very good long opportunity because this high is higher than the previous minor high, so there's a good long opportunity. On Friday, the Black Friday, so it's a trend line break. So after the pullback, there is a long opportunity, and then it is a measured move that you can see that starting from the uptrend start here, then we measure up yeah, it goes even higher to test the previous day's high. For 2019, on Thanksgiving Day, there's not much movement. However, on the Black Friday, there's a big sell-off. So that's $3 range. That's already good enough for you to take profit. Even though on 2021's Black Friday, it's $10. That's very abnormal. So you can see there's a first leg here. We can do a measure move here. This is the first leg, and then pull back. Let's measure the second leg here, whether it reaches starting from here. Yes, in the end, it reaches the measured move. Let's take a look at 2018. So basically on Thanksgiving Day, there's a range. There's a trend line at the bottom, but there's no very good opportunities based on other patterns. You can argue there's a resistance and support level here, but how strong the resistance and support level are, that's another question. So to me, there's no good trading opportunities. But on the Black Friday, there is. So here there's a sell-off, these two big bear bars, and then after that there's a stairs. So 90% of the time, the stairs pattern will lead to continuation of the trend. So you should be prepared for a short. Wait for the signal bar. This is a very good signal bar here. There's another one here. So there are two opportunities for you to do the short. And at the same time, for the stairs, normally there's a measure move. Let's have a look here. So we measure the first leg here. And then if we measure whether it goes down the same distance here, you can see that, yeah, it reached the measured distance here, measured move. So the conclusion for crude oil is that on Thanksgiving Day, there's no good trading opportunity, but on the Black Friday, the next day, there tends to be a sell off, so you need to prepare for short position. Let's also have a look at GBP and CAD, which is nothing to do with US dollars, and let's see whether there's a good trading opportunities. In 2021, Thanksgiving Day, not much movement, but on Black Friday, there are multiple entry opportunities like you can see here. It's uptrend along the moving average. Yeah, so if you want to take this trade, you can also do that, but it's gonna give you a stop out in the end if you put your stop here. But anyways, there's good opportunities. It's a very good uptrend. For 2020, on a Thanksgiving Day, there are a trendline break here. You can see there's a downward channel, but it breaks to upward. So we can trade at the pullback here and also touching the moving average. And on the Black Friday, so it's very apparent there's a breakout to downward, and then there is a channel here for consolidation, and then it breaks down. So the breakout consolidation normally leads to measure move. Let's see from the start of the trend here. And then if we copy the same distance, you see, okay, so here in this bar, it reaches the measure move. There's a good opportunity for short. For 2019, on Thanksgiving Day, we can see there's a trendline break. Previously, there's an uptrend, however, it breaks, and then it goes down to test the previous day's close. You can see it's here. It's here. And also, it seems to be the start of the day, but it failed. It didn't reach. So there's a good opportunity after this breakout and then pulls back here. You can go short. However, whether you want to put your profit target to be the close here, it depends on your strategy. However, there's a good opportunity here. On Black Friday, we can certainly see there's a trend line across 2 days here, and then it goes down to test the previous day's low here, this level here. However, it didn't succeed and it pulls back. So there might be good opportunities for long. However, there are big fluctuation in the New York trading hours. So if you don't manage your trade well, you could get stop loss. For 2018, on Thanksgiving Day, it's very weird. The behavior here is not something expected. Economic events. Um, so there's not good trading opportunities because it's too abnormal. And then on Black Friday, it's keeping making lower highs here. You can see that there will be good trading opportunities because there's a double top here. If you go short, you could get some profit here. The conclusion for GBP and CAD is that you can trade as normal, though there are minor impact from the US. However, the major impact should be from UK and Canada. If you enjoyed my video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. You can also go to my channel for more videos. Thank you.